and bootling up from the Windows 96. Hello YouTube, my name is Kitty. So today I'll show you how to do Windows 96. Well, an open link from my computer and the file export on the system on the C drive and the export from the Windows 98. Well, and now to open from the wallpaper on the C drive and the on the Windows folder on the Windows system. Well, and open from the document to the cat. Oh no, and the no folder. Well, and open from the recycle bin from the water. Oh my god. Well, and open from the beta from the Windows 96 beta. On the Windows 96 2021 May day from the 25 day. Well, and open from the TOS from the library. Well, and open from the oh no. Well, and open from the gaming. And open from the gaming on the version 020 on the gaming. Well, and open from the gaming from the new game Classics and the game the well done. Well, and open from the pet management from the open on the open from the Internet Explorer on the Internet Explorer and the Windows 98 Internet Explorer. Well, and open from the search from the website from the youtube.com and no way, and search from the google.com and the oh no. And now to the search from the Microsoft.com. This is there we go from the Microsoft.com. Well, and open from the setting wallpaper. And now to wallpaper from the Windows 96. Enemy wallpaper and the wallpaper from the 3D wallpaper. Well, and open from the lock and theme on the Windows 2000, Windows 98, Windows 96 on the Windows 2000, Windows 98, Windows 96, Beta 2, and the theme from the color from the theme on the Mac OS Snow Leopard on the okay, so now to the icon from the Mac OS Snow Leopard and Windows 96 on Windows XP. So the yes, on the Windows XP theme from the basic theme on the classics. And now on the Windows 96 on the wallpaper on nothing from the train on the Windows Mini Drain on the Windows 96 Mini Drain and the download from the wallpaper. Okay, so the download from the wallpaper on the Windows 96 wallpaper. So there we go. And now to the download from the wallpaper. On the yes, on the wallpaper, on the Linux wallpaper, on wallpaper for the Windows 96 wallpaper. Well, and setting from the network setting, from the password, and the search from the website from the Microsoft.com. And there we go. And Bitnet Knob and Olo from the Windows 96. Welcome from the Windows 96. So now to download from the Microsoft wallpaper on the user login, and that's management on Windows backup from the Windows boot folder. Windows 96 storing on Windows 96 dry configs on Minigen from the iOS on the iPhone logo on iOS, Android on PC from the dry Minigen from the from the there we go monitor on the CPU on graphics from the GPU. So the yes on downloading from the Microsoft wallpaper on the yes. Okay, there we go. Well, and the wallpaper and downloading from the wallpaper. So the yes on the wallpaper on download from the Windows 7 wallpaper. The wallpaper on the Windows 7. Well, and wallpaper on the Windows 7 wallpaper. So there we go on the Windows 7. And now to Windows 96 wallpaper, which is, there we go, and the system, and the download path string. So the X well, and open from the terminal with your version on the Win version, and nothing from the train. Well, and open from the welcome to Windows 96. Well, and this is on the, there we go, nothing from the train, this is start menu. So the yes from the start menu, and reboot link. Well, and the open from the on the Notepad from the Hello Windows 96. Well, and open from the CD product key on the OK. Oh, this is on the back screen from the safe mode. The safe mode from the copy link from the Windows Vista on Windows 7. Reboot. So now on opening, well, and open from the DOS box with your C-Colon Win, and nothing from the open. Well, and open from the NES, and open from the gameplay. So now to open from the panel box. Well, and open from the block from the icon from the Minecraft icon, and now to game from the Minecraft. Well, and open from the Paintball from the Windows XP game from the Paintball. And now to 3D Paintball from the Windows XP. Well, and open from the next game from the orange on the color from the orange. Well, and open from the error message to pair. Well, and open from the network, and open from the and open from the Windows 96 on the server IP. Well, and open from the downloading on the Windows 96 from the network setting. Well, and open from the color setting of, oh my god. Okay, so there we go from the change it from the color. Okay. Well, and open from the OpenGL test window on the 3D Windows 96. So the yes on the Windows 96 on the 3D. Well, and open from the version browser on the VMware 2 from the virtual bar from the version 2.0. Okay, well, and open from the Windows 96. How many gen? Well, another Windows 96 on the opening the menu bar from the Windows 95 on the menu bar. Well, and open from the setting from the Windows XP. Windows arrow theme. So the yes on the arrow theme from the Windows 7 arrow theme on the icon from the Windows 7. So the yes from the arrow theme from Windows 7. Well, and the wallpaper on the downloading on the Windows 7. The wallpaper on the Windows 7. And now the start menu from the Windows 7. Okay. So the now on the game setting on my computer from the Windows 7. And now to open from the water from the wallpaper. So now from the open from the Tab Manager from the Windows XP and Windows 7 Task Manager, where and open from the system on the nothing from the train, where and open from the Linux on the say yes from the open from the Linux from the VirtualBox from the Linux, where and open from the 64 on the edition from the Windows 96, where and open for the update from the WinPC public track from the update from the Windows 97, and now to the update from the Windows 10 to Windows 11 from the update track from the management, where and open from the Windows 96, where and new from the VM from the Windows 98 and create this node to the upload to the VirtualBox, where an open utility on the VMware Workstation, where an open from the system virtual says, where an open from the IDK PNG from the MLM from the MMM, so the yes on the welcome to Windows 96, and well on the Windows 96 on the computer, well, and open from the warning from the Win version and error message, and Windows 96 Internet Explorer, no link from the Linux, so the yes, and now to deleting from the Windows 96, so the yes, okay, so hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please like to subscribe to my channel. Please comment and see you guys to next video. Goodbye.